Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I really, really like these. I feel like the mapping that I did is, you can tell that I have them. It's not too extreme. I feel like it's absolutely perfect.
So this is just kind of my daily look. I really do love these. They're so easy to put on and they are just staying in place. Like, I love them. They're really simple, so easy to do, and they just look really natural as well. That's what I love about these lashes. And they are just so easy to use and they are absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, I love them, the lightweight, the everything about them. They are absolutely amazing and you can see the results for yourself.
It's great. I love it. So these are the more dramatic ones, but hey, they work for a girls' night out. So I hope this review helps.